Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we've got a special treat for you. We're going to be building 2 out-of-the-box party boards, not charcuterie boards because no meat and cheese today. And we're going to be building them on these beautiful charcuterie board setups that were sent to us by GL Bamboo. I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Today's video is sponsored by the good folks at GL Bamboo. They sent us this premium bamboo cheese board set with cutlery, and it's beautiful. I can't wait to open it up and show you. I have not seen it. I've not opened it. I have only seen the pictures that are on the website, and I'm really excited for you to see it. So we're going to do a couple of party boards, I'm going to call them. We're going to do a breakfast board, and we're going to do a sweets board, like a dessert board. And we're just going to have a little bit of fun with outside of the box thinking, and this box comes with all the things that you're going to need to have a really fun party experience. So why don't we crack into this box? I can't wait to open it and show you what this board looks like, because if it's anything like what the website shows, it's going to be fantastic. Okay, so let's crack this box open. I'm really excited to see this. Look at this is packed so well. Look at this. And oh wow, it's really packed well. And it's wrapped well. And it looks just like the picture. Oh, it comes with little ramekins and everything. And I gotta tell you guys, this has some heft to it. All right, we've taken everything out of the package, and it's even more spectacular than I thought. It came with this extra little tray that you can fill with whatever you like, and we're just going to set that over here. And here's the main board, and I love that they thought of everything, okay? So it's got these little rounded indentations in the tray so that you can put crackers. Now this is perfect for a sleeve of like round buttery crackers, and it's going to stay there. You could just kind of slide them back, and they're going to be beautifully displayed. You could put crackers all around the tray if you're going for the whole meat and cheese deal. You could also fill this with nuts. You could do whatever you like. Your imagination is your only limit here. There's more to this board than just this. Just look at this. Watch. I'm so impressed. Look at here. I love this. They thought of every single thing. This comes with a variety of cheese knives that if you know about cheese, and I know very little about how you serve cheese and what these knives are used for, but I do know that this is for breaking Parmesan, or hard cheeses. I know that this is for using to crumble an aged cheese, and I know that this is for using on a hard cheese, like to slice, and they all have a blade, so be very careful. This is a meat fork. The other thing they thought of, which I think is fantastic, is they included 2 of these little slate things. I mean, they're really beautiful picks. You can stick it in the cheese, and then you can write on the piece of slate with this chalk marker. This came with 2 chalk markers, and you can just make sure everybody knows, it's all Gouda. And then that just will wash right off with a wipe or a damp cloth. So just know that. This I think that is fantastic. Came with 2 chalk markers, 2 slate cheese name plates or whatever, but and it came with all of the beautiful cutlery that you would need to, throw a delicious cheese party. Let's be real. Now, maybe you don't need that for, to have a cheese party, but, if you didn't, you could just do that. All right, before we go and create our party boards, but like I said, don't get me wrong, I love a good charcuterie board as much as the next person, but I think we're going to do a little outside the box party board creation for you today. And we're going to use this beautiful cheese board set. You want to get your own set, which I think would be fantastic for the holidays, for your open house, for your Christmas Eve, for your New Year's Eve, and for gift giving. How many people do you have on your list that you don't know what to get? When you use my discount code Noreen's Kitchen, this is going to be approximately $28, which I think is a really great price point for a Christmas gift. Okay, so remember, you can get yours with free shipping a 30-day money-back guarantee. And also, Rick wants me to point out the size of the box is 13 inches square. So this is a nice size. My suggestion would be, if you're not going to use this except for parties or holiday time or special occasions, to keep the box and keep the foam and all of the inserts, and like my mom used to do, just pack it away when you're finished so that everything is snug as a bug in a rug in its own box, and you can put it up in the top of your closet and you always know where it is, and everything is safely put away. Well, here we have our first party board offering for you on our beautiful premium bamboo cheese board set. This is a breakfast board. This is my idea of a breakfast board. So this would be something like a continental breakfast, something you would put out for guests if you were having a late morning nosh with coffee. Something you would throw together if you were having company over, or maybe you had friends drop by and you just wanted to put something out that was a little something special. So I have some
for your bed and breakfast.
Right, this would be something you'd find at a bed and breakfast, but I think this is absolutely lovely. So we did not use the cutlery section of the board because it was unnecessary. So I completely filled the top of it. In the ramekins, I put a garlic and herb cream cheese spread in one, and I put a plain cream cheese spread topped with a cranberry jam. So that's my cranberry compote from Thanksgiving, and I just topped a large dollop in there, so people can just use that if they like to spread on their miniature bagels that I have over here. I use the round tray to hold the bagels, and that is what was most appropriate to use it for. I put out some berries. I have some blackberries in the one channel on the one side, and I have strawberries in the channel on the other side. I have a beautiful cinnamon honey butter in the center here, and a banana loaf, as well as some of these beautiful Italian cookies. These are just called breakfast treats, and if you're familiar with these particular brand of cookies that come in the cellophane bags, these are the typical Italian offerings, and this is anisette toast, something I grew up with and absolutely adore. And I think that this makes a positively beautiful tray, a beautiful party board. And look, what more could you want? You can spread any kind of the spread. So we've got a sweet spread, a jammy spread, and we've got a sweet honey butter that I topped with a little extra honey just so everyone knew there was honey inside. And you know, you can spread that on whatever you like. On the banana bread, on the bagels, you could toast the bagels. You know, you do what you like whenever you're serving this, and your guests are going to be able to enjoy it however they like to enjoy it. So that's my idea for a breakfast board, or a mid-morning like brunch board, something you could put out if you are going to have a little bit of a mid-morning open house or something. You could put this out, and you could also have a beautiful coffee bar, and maybe you could even have a little bit of an omelet station, or do a baked egg casserole to go along with this, or waffles would be great. Then this would be great. You could have some bacon on the side or some sausages on the side, and you're good to go. So that's my vision for a breakfast board using our sponsor's beautiful bamboo cheese board set. So now we're going to move on, and we're going to show you our next idea for a party board, which I think is really going to be special, especially with Christmas coming, and I think the kids are going to love it. Well, here is my second incarnation of a party board, and this is going to get all the kids excited, young and old alike. This is my dessert or sweets board, and this was super simple to put together, and it can be as elaborate or as simple as you like. This was not expensive to put together, and really this time of year, mostly everybody has some homemade goodies coming out of the kitchen. I do not have any coming out of mine quite yet because it's a little too early in December to start baking, but I went ahead and I got some provisions, and I put together this board because a lot of the holiday offerings are in the grocery store right now. So what we have here, look, I just bought one of those theater boxes of Junior Mints, so that's what we have in this ramekin over here. I have some M&Ms in the other one in the festive holiday colors, and then we have a Terry's chocolate orange, because is it really Christmas if you don't have a Terry's? I don't think so. I also got a small can of the Pyroline cigarette cookies. You guys know these. They are called cigarette cookies, I know. But, and they have the hazelnut filling. And I also got a big, I got 2 little net packages of the chocolate coins, because, you know, for me, we always got chocolate coins in our stocking, so that's representative of a holiday for me. And I thought I'm gonna go ahead and put those on there too, because that's just fun for kids and grown-ups alike. The last thing that I got was a big tin of fancy butter cookies. These are just from the grocery store, and they had a variety pack, and they are beautiful, and they're festive, and they're decorated wonderfully. And so I just went whole hog, and I filled up both trays, and I think it's beautiful. Now you can see this, I just took a little clear dish, I filled it with the M&Ms, and I stuck the Pyroline cookies in there. You can do whatever you want. I was just being silly and fun. But you have a beautiful display to put it on. You have a beautiful base to start with, and that is the GL Bamboo Premium Bamboo Cheese Board set with the cutlery. Don't forget that we have this beautiful cutlery down here. I'm not going to open this drawer because everything is going to fall apart. But you remember I showed it to you before. So we're going to wrap up the video here today. I'm going to say thank you to GL Bamboo for providing us with this beautiful bamboo set for our party boards that we shared with you today. And remember, if you would like to procure one of these for yourself, or maybe you would like to procure several of them as gifts for friends or family, you can do that by using the link down below. You'll go to their website. You'll use the discount code Noreen's Kitchen. You're going to get 30% off the $39.99 price, and the price for you is going to be approximately $28. So I don't think that you can beat that, honestly, at all. So you're going to get free shipping. You're going to get a 30-day money-back guarantee. And honestly, this is one of the most beautiful pieces I think that I have seen. One of the nicest pieces that I have received in a long time. Now, I know a lot of you know that I get so many offers in the email every single day. A lot of them I don't even look at. A lot of them I don't even answer. A lot of them I just, no thank you. And the reason is because it's junk. This is gorgeous, and I had to share it with you. So, bamboo, sustainable resource. You don't have to worry that you're cutting down a rainforest to get it. And it's very affordably priced. It's a great gift, a great price point. And it's definitely a tool that I think you're going to use for years and years to come. I mean, honestly, I think you're going to use this. I think if you have little ones, your kids are going to grow up seeing it all the time. And someday your daughter's going to grow up and go, hey, can I have that? And you're going to go, not yet. I'm still using it. So, remember the discount code. Go ahead and get you one. Get some for gifts for Christmas. And I hope that you go and check it out. And I hope that you love it. I hope that you enjoyed today's presentation. I hope that you learned something. And until next time, I'll see ya.